Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you all charging methods for your JVC XS-E843. So the first and most basic method is using a power brick or power adapter charger, as someone calls it, which looks exactly like this. It has to have a cable that fits into the charger and has the USB Type-C ending like this. Then we have to plug this power adapter into our power supply, and now we have to find this charging port here. We have to open this shield and our charging port is right there. It is USB Type-C one. Let me plug my cable in that. It's done now, and now our speaker is charging. Wait a moment, let me show you the LED lights here. This is the first method. The second method is using our phone. Yes, you heard it right. We can charge this big speaker using our phone. To do so, we have to pair also a USB Type-C to C cable, and we have to plug this cable into our charging port and our phone. We just have to replace the cable before with this. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.